Hi and welcome. So today we're going to start off on the ground, a little different than a normal standing, but we're going to work that whole body and get some nice back exercises on this. So grab a mat, grab some weights, grab some water. I'm going to put my hair back. We're going to do a lot of combo exercises, just working the muscles in a different way than we're used to. All right, so let's just start off. Let's just stretch a little bit, get that body nice and warmed up. So I'm in a nice little quad here. You can see me. So just do a little cat-cows and breathe it out. Breathe it in and breathe it out. All right. Now I want you to grab that weight in just one hand. You can do this equipment free as well. I'm using a 2-pound weight, so use anything from 2, 3. I wouldn't go too much past a 5. Okay, so send that outer leg out, and we're going to pull it up. So open up that chest and row it back. So that elbow goes nice and long. Pull it back. Yes. All right, that core is engaged. This is really great to kind of open up that chest, work on that posture. Nice. Pull it up. Keep on breathing. Just getting that blood flowing. All right, we're going to hold it here in 4, 3, 2. Hold it here. Now kick it out and raise that leg. Yes. All right, yes, kick it long. All right, so when we do these exercises, that toe is pointed. And I really want you to check in to see how you feel. How's that body feel? Do you feel that stretch? Do you feel that lengthening? These moves are not big moves. They're not complicated moves. I guess in some ways, like the combinations are, but you'll definitely get used to it. It's just that when you repeat them and you feel that burn, then that is where that sculpt, that tone happens. Lift and lower. Just keep it here. Nice. All right. I'm feeling, we have 2-pound weights here. We're just mindfully sending it out and pull it in, just checking how you feel and keep it going. All right, give me 4 more. 3, 2, last one. Hold it here and lift, lift. Nice and long, nice and strong, lift. Yes, pinkies up, light grip on that weight. Keep it going. For 4, 3, 2, last one. All right, drop that foot. We're gonna send that arm in and we're gonna send it back and out. All right, so you feel that stretch. You feel that back elongate. You are moving, shifting that weight forward and back, right? Yes. Up. Nice and long, nice and strong. For 4, hold in 3, last 2, hold it here. All right, now we're going to bring that weight into that knee and bring it all in and send it long and in and long, in and out. Yes, you got this. Keep it up. All right, give me 4, 3, 2, last one. All right, just hover that knee. We're just gonna hover it up and you're gonna fly out that arm to the side and out. I know, you can definitely drop that if you're feeling it. We're just gonna give a little hover, right? 8 more, 7, 6, last 5, you have 4, 3, 2, all right, last one, hold it in, stretch it back. Nice, let's do that other side. All right, split my pony. Okay, so we send that leg out long. I know my bench is here. I look like it's total Christmas here with these green colors and my red, but let's get going. Okay, open up. We're going to do those same moves on that opposite side. Yes. Pull it up. Lift. Again, think about what you're feeling here. You're feeling that shoulder, right? Right here underneath that armpit, stretching. Feeling that elbow pull all the way back. That shoulder blade coming closer to that backbone, right? All right, maybe even feeling it on this arm. You just worked it, and now it's supporting half of your body. So yes, you're getting stronger with each row. Let's go. Give me 4 more. And 3. Last 2. Last 1. All right, we're gonna kick it back. So kick it back again. Nice and long. Reach. That pinky is up. That toe is pointed. Long and strong. And lift. All right, and that core is engaged. Just feel it tightening. Lift. That doesn't mean you're like sucking in your stomach. You just feel that strength, like you're bracing yourself. Yes, nice and tight. Just kick it back, keep it up, kick. All right, hold in 4. In 3. Last 2. Hold it here, give me those pulses. It's pulse, pulse, lift, lift. Yes, keep it up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last 1. All right, arm goes ahead. Drop that. Oh, feel that stretch. Nice, right? So we pull it in and out, in. So I'm feeling that stretch all the way through those obliques. Yes. Up and down on that thigh. Pull it in, send it long. It's going to give you a nice strong back here. Keep it up. Really reach and lengthen. You got this, right? Keep that breath going for 4, 3, 2. Last 1. All right, now bring them in. So bring it in and out. Nice and long. Trying to touch that ground, that challenge of keeping it up. Yes. Like a half Superman here, right? Or Superwoman, right? Keep it up. All right. Give me 4 more. 3. Last 2. Last 1. Try to keep that hover. Only go to this side. Yes. Out. Oh, I have an itch. I'm not going to get it. I'm going to keep pumping. Keep it up. And lift for 4, 3, 2. Last 1. All right, I'm going to get that itch. Take it down. Yes. Okay, now from here, we're going to continue that. So I'm just going to go on my side so that you can see me. So go on those toes and round back those shoulders. Roll back those shoulders. And we are going to fly out those arms. So now working both arms and both legs at the same time. So take it down and lift. And yes. Keep it up. So we're teeing out those arms nice and long. Feel that strength. All right. Just a little comment here. I like to, just really be mindful and to remind yourselves to just take it slow, right? Step into this one small movement at a time. So where you feel like you're seeing the results that you want to see, you're feeling great inside. That's where it all starts, right? So when we do these moves, it's nice and slow and you feel that length in those arms and they're nice and straight. And you send them long. Yes. Now, I'm coming down and I'm just slightly hovering over those toes. If you just want to stay here, you can. We're just going to get that extra heat going into those thighs, right? Just keep it up. All right. 4 more. 3, 2, Last one. Flip those palms up and under and over and under and over and under. Yes, I know. Those small ones, they catch up on you. You got it. It's flip and flip and flip. Yes. Just keep it going. Have some fun, right? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. All right, palms are going to face up. And we're going to reach up and send it down. Nice and long. I want you to give me a nice long reach. And send it down. And up. And down. Yes. All right. 4 more. Last 3. Last 2. And last 1. All right. I'm going to put these weights aside. Let's do a nice little downward dog stretch. So come up on those heels. Yes. And flow it to a nice plank here. Hold it. That belly's in. That back is flat. That chest is open. All right. Now send those knees down to a nice child's pose. Flow it forward and look up. Stretch that back. Do a couple of these. At your own pace. And we will end this workout. All right. One more deep breath. And send it back. All right, friends. I hope you had a great workout. I hope you have an awesome day, that you find your peace, that you find what makes you feel good, and come back anytime for these workouts. And I hope we tone together soon. Bye.